Picture a place where beauty and diversity collide in a spectacular dance of culture, history, and gastronomy. Yes, we're talking about Italy. This gem of a country is a treasure trove of enchanting cities, each more captivating than the last. With a rich tapestry of culture that dates back millennia and a culinary scene that's the envy of the world, Italy offers an unparalleled travel experience. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to discover the top 10 must-visit cities in Italy. Starting our countdown at number 10, we find ourselves in Bologna, the lively, historic capital of the Emilia-Romagna region. Bologna is a city that's brimming with charm, from its iconic red brick medieval architecture to its prestigious universities, some of the oldest in the world. And let's not forget its reputation as the culinary heart of Italy, where food isn't just sustenance, it's a way of life. Bologna, a city that feeds both your soul and your stomach. At number 9, here's to Verona, a city right out of a Shakespearean play. This city breathes romance, where every corner whispers tales of love, with Juliet's balcony at its heart. But Verona is not just about love. Its Roman roots run deep, evident in the ancient amphitheater that stands tall, echoing stories of a glorious past. Its cobbled streets, charming cafes, and vibrant piazzas make it a city to fall in love with, over and over again. Verona, where love stories come to life. Naples, our number 8, is a city that's as vibrant as it's historic. Here, the streets pulsate with life, echoing tales of a rich past that stretches back to the Second Punic War. And let's not forget, this city is the proud birthplace of pizza, a global favorite. Picture a perfect pizza margherita, its bubbling mozzarella reflecting the warmth of Neapolitan hearts, its tangy tomatoes as robust as the city's spirit. Naples, where history meets flavor. At number 7, we have Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. This city is a paradise for art lovers, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo and Botticelli. The iconic Duomo with its grand dome commands the skyline, a testament to the city's architectural prowess. But Florence isn't just about art and architecture. Its bustling leather markets add another layer to the city's charm, offering the finest Italian craftsmanship. Florence, an artist's dream. Turin, at number 6, is Italy's regal and elegant city. Encrusted with royal palaces that echo stories of regal splendor, it's a city that exudes grandeur. Its museums, like the Egyptian Museum, hold treasures that have stood the test of time. But Turin isn't all about the past. It's a city alive with a vibrant coffee culture, where each cup invites you to savor the moment. It's a unique blend of the old and the new. Turin, where elegance meets tradition. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Milan, Italy's fashion capital. This city is a paradise for fashion enthusiasts, boasting high-end shopping districts filled with world-renowned boutiques. But the allure of Milan doesn't stop at fashion. The iconic Duomo, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, punctuates the city's skyline, while the vibrant nightlife offers a taste of Italy's modern side. From sipping cocktails in Navigli to dancing the night away in Corso Como, Milan truly has something for everyone. Milan, where style meets history. Sicily, at number 4, is a sun-kissed island with a rich history. This vibrant island boasts of exquisite beaches, where the turquoise sea kisses the golden sand. Sicily's ancient Greek temples stand as silent storytellers, echoing tales of bygone eras. And let's not forget the unique Sicilian cuisine, a delightful fusion of Italian and Mediterranean flavors that leave a lasting impression on your palate. Each bite is a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. Sicily, a paradise in the heart of the Mediterranean. At number 3, we find Venice, the city of canals. Imagine a city where streets are replaced by shimmering waterways, where gondolas glide through the morning mist. This is Venice. St. Mark's Square, a historic symbol of Venetian power and prestige, stands proudly amidst the canals. And let's not overlook Venice's age-old tradition of mask-making, a craft that adds an air of mystery to the city's already enchanting atmosphere. Venice, where romance floats in the air. Almost at the top, at number 2, is Rome, the Eternal City. A place where time stands still, Rome's ancient ruins tell tales of a glorious past. The iconic Colosseum stands as a testament to Rome's rich history and architectural prowess. Amidst this grandeur, Rome offers a sweet retreat. Its delicious gelato, a must-try for every visitor. So take a stroll in Rome, let the city's charm engulf you, and listen to the history that whispers in every corner. Rome, where history whispers in every corner. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amalfi Coast, Italy's coastal gem. Imagine a place where the sea and sky merge into one, where vibrant villages cling to cliffs like glittering gems. This is the Amalfi Coast, a paradise punctuated by pastel houses, terraced vineyards, and lemon groves. Here, the air is sweet with the scent of blooming flowers and the tangy aroma of limoncello, the region's signature lemon liqueur. Amalfi Coast, the crown jewel of Italy. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit cities in Italy. From the culinary wonderland of Bologna, through the romantic lanes of Verona, the vibrant streets of Naples, the Renaissance echoes of Florence, the regal Turin, the stylish Milan, the sun-drenched Sicily, the dreamlike Venice, the historic Rome, and finally, the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. Each city, a unique jewel in the Italian crown, awaits your discovery. So immerse yourself in the enchanting magic of Italy and make unforgettable memories. So when are you packing your bags for Italy? Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Italy. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour and are as excited as we are about the wonders this beautiful country has to offer. If you've enjoyed this video and can't wait to explore more amazing destinations with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting travel videos filled with stunning visuals and fascinating facts. Until next time, arrivederci and happy travels!